best squad on the planet, best squad on YouTube, hands down. It's your boy Sean.
And your girl.
Let's get it, my love.
What is up, S&M squad? How are you guys doing today? We hope you guys are absolutely amazing.
Yes, you guys. If you're having a bad day, we got to turn around right now with some good energy and some good music, baby.
Yes.
Y'all know how we do it, S&M, babe. Who we got today?
Today we'll be reacting to Ozzy Osbourne, Crazy Train.
Whoa, Nally.
Wow.
Put me on a crazy
I'm
train,
ready.
baby.
Crazy Train.
Crazy Train, Ozzy Osbourne.
Wow.
In the building. It's about to go down, you guys.
Yes,
hey.
It sounds exciting.
Yeah, I can't wait to get into it. Hey,
yeah.
With that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Also share. Share us out. Show us some love and turn on your post notification bell. We appreciate the love, S&M. We on our way to 100K, baby.
All right.
Let's get it. Good energy, right?
Yes.
Ozzy in the building.
Ozzy Osbourne.
Come on, man. We got to put some
king.
respect on his name now.
Yes.
Let's get it, baby. Good energy, right?
King of metal, baby. Bam!
Countdown begins now, y'all. Here we go, baby. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I hope we doing the right version because guess what? I want to see this live.
Let me tell you, that is the same beat. That is the same music that Lil Jon and the East Side Boys
You are absolutely right, baby. I know I heard this before.
What is it called?
Lil Jon.
Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know.
Absolutely right. Oh my God.
Oh, they stole it from Ozzy. This is an older song.
Yes.
Oh my God. Hip hop is killing.
But that's how it goes. Millions of people living in rows. Maybe, yeah, it's not too late to live and forget today. Make the wounds that heal, driving me insane. I'm going up the rails on a crazy train.
Yes.
Gotta love it, baby. Come on now.
Oh my God.
Hey, S&M, I hate to stop it, man, but hey, you gotta love it.
The Crazy Train.
They got the stage on fire,
That's
baby.
how it goes.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's keep going,
Let's
baby.
do it.
I'm going up the rails on a crazy train. Everybody's happy in their home. I listen to preachers, I listen to fools.
Okay.
I was still the dropouts who make them rules.
Hey, baby.
What is the condition to rule and control? The millions houses and you live the road.
Damn.
Make the wolves that healing, who and what's to blame? I'm going up the rails on a crazy train.
Sing it, Ozzy. Yes.
I'm going up the rails on a crazy train.
Wow, going off the rails of Crazy Train.
I know that things are going wrong for me.
Wow.
You gotta listen to my words.
Oh, baby. track, Ozzy, baby.
Woo.
Sounds good.
Whoa!
Whoa, Nelly.
Wow.
Hell to
I'm
the
going off the rails on a crazy train.
Oh yeah, man. I'm telling you.
How many of us have felt like that?
Woo!
Gosh.
When you
we're
feel like you're just losing control.
going off the rails
Going off the rail, baby.
on a crazy train.
That beat is woo.
But the guitar, the guitar solo. Oh my gosh, he killed it. He killed that
That
solo.
sounds good right there, man.
Yes.
Yes, man. I'm telling you, brought it. That's what I'm talking about, S&M. That's what we need, baby, on the platform all day long.
Most definitely.
You know what I'm saying? You can't lose with Ozzy.
Wow.
Can't lose, baby.
That was amazing.
Yes.
And it's, I knew I heard that's the melody
beat
before the
before?
beat.
Yeah.
I'm like, hold up. Even
Yes.
down to when he was like, I.
Yes, but that was somebody intelligent that sampled that beat, remade
And,
it.
and
You know what I'm saying? Brought it to
heard how
hip-hop
great it was
Yes.
to, to sample it again.
all day.
So, wow, that
The
is
whole beat, the whole energy of that song that gets you hyped. You know what I'm saying?
amazing. That was amazing. I give that a 10 plus.
I definitely give it a
1
10.
to 10, I give it a 10 plus.
I give it a 10.
Wow, we can relate to that. I can see me playing that song, blasted really loud.
Yes, and I know they play that like at
At home.
sport events and stuff like that.
Yeah, just at
Yeah.
home, just trying to get my thoughts together, man.
Put it
Because
on, let it
sometimes
play.
I feel like that, like I'm going off the rails on a crazy
Yeah.
train. With everything that's going on, in
Yeah.
the world, it's like,
Yeah.
are we all
Right.
on a crazy train and we're just going off the rails, man?
Going off the rails.
Ozzy
baby.
said it best.
Ozzy just, put the facts to it.
And I've never seen that side of Ozzy with the haircut.
The haircut.
I'm used to seeing Ozzy with like long hair and
Wow. man.
wow.
And the graphics in that video was nice. I
Yes.
like everything about it. I definitely
Yes.
give it a 10. We appreciate it. That's the
Oh my gosh, and
all
that
day long.
guitar solo.
Hell to the
Please let us know in the comments section who is
Yes.
the guitarist. He is
Dang.
amazing also.
He
Oh
blew it
my-
away.
Yes, he
Blew it
did.
away.
Woo, he
That's what I'm
played
talking
that.
about. We need more.
Oh my gosh, it
We
gave,
need more, you
it
guys.
gave me chills.
We definitely need more. Definitely get this video
Yeah.
a big fat thumbs up. Hey man, we in a rabbit hole now. We can't get out.
I know, right?
You know what I'm saying?
We
and I'm
are
digging
in.
it. I'm loving it.
We are in.
Yes. And we definitely appreciate the love.
Yes.
Definitely. All day long. S&M. That's our time, baby. You know I gotta ask you. Did you have a blast?
Yes,
I know you had a
did,
blast,
baby.
babe.
I had such a blast.
Yes. That's
Such
the way
a
to go.
blast.
S&M squad, baby.
With
That's
you
how
and the
we do it.
S&M squad, you guys
All
are
day long.
awesome,
All day
amazing.
long. Y'all keep dropping it off. We gonna keep picking it up, baby. You know what I'm saying? Straight up and down.
It has been truly a pleasure, going
Yes.
down these rabbit holes, learning about heavy metal.
Yes.
Oh
Different-
my gosh.
Different
Like,
artists.
we didn't grow up on heavy metal and I love it so much. I
Oh,
didn't
man.
think that I was a rocker.
Yes,
at
that
heart.
heavy metal got so much life
But
to it,
it's
baby.
in me. It has to be something
it's definitely
natural
in you.
because I naturally gravitated towards it. It
Right.
wasn't hard
It's
for
in
me
you.
to get into it.
It's already in you, baby.
So it was like a side of me that I didn't know. So it makes me feel like, oh my gosh, I didn't know myself.
You take the right song to bring
It's
it out
like
to
I'm
you.
learning myself.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
all day.
yes.
Yes, that's
I
what I'm
love
talking
it.
about. All day, y'all. Make sure y'all get this video a big fat thumbs up. We about to get up out of here. Everybody have a safe and productive day, baby. That's what I'm talking about. S&M Squad. Hey, it's your boy
You
Sean.
guys rock.
Let's
And
get
your
it.
girl,
All day, my
Mel.
love.
You guys are so amazing. Keep
Freaking awesome,
rocking with us,
baby.
guys.